Hey, what's up guys? Today's video we're gonna see how to make money over and over again guys easily in 2020. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, what do you expect from this video? It's all about how to make money over and over again guys while surfing the internet or browsing on your user or browsing on your browser guys, and it's available worldwide no matter where you're from, and it's also a legitimate way to make money guys. Okay guys, let's dive into this video. Before diving into this video, if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find awesome video about make money online, and hit the subscribe button, like, share with your friends and family, and comment below your thought about this video guys. Without any further ado, let's dive in this video. This website we're gonna see is called askwonder.com guys. Maybe you probably heard of or not. This is a data entry job guys. It's the easiest job. You can make tons of money with this guys. It's easiest just guys. Just come to askwonder.com guys. This is the page for a company guys. Let's review how the page look like guys. Just to go guys, this is askwonder.com. Just how the people are creating a good content for other companies guys. Just see guys, Johnson baby, Johnson and Honda and City Viewer Special. This company is working with Askwonder guys. Askwonder is the company creates a data or drives a data from Google's or from people's and sell it to this other companies guys. Not your data guys. It's like a simple data guys. I show, stay tuned for more guys about that. I show how what's the data about guys. If you want come here, join us all the way, go to down guys. Just click apply here guys. It's automatically take you to this analysis page guys. This is our page guys. There you can make money guys. Just earn money ways you using your brain guys, and work from home guys. Whatever you can, wherever you can work guys, and learn guys. You can make money as you learn guys. Just to come over this website and click join our community too guys. First to put your first name and last name and email address and password guys. Password must be 8 character, at least one number you have guys, and city guys, where you live, and put a city. It's available worldwide guys, no matter where you're from. And click I'm not robot, and I agree guys. Just to click short application. This is easy guys. Some testimonial. Nina R, just I love working for Wonder because it allows me to professionally interesting engaging guys. I show how it's work guys. This is the popular request guys. Recommendation a product or service. You can review the product or service or competitive landscaping guys. It's easy competitive landscaping, and explain the trending phenomenal guys. This is the data entry job guys. Trending phenomenal, show how it's work and gather statistic guys. Just how's the company going and how it's falls and how much rate it's falls, something stuff like guys. It's complicated, little weird. I show easily guys, and how it's work guys. Just to visit research dashboard when you are ready to start working. Okay guys, just will sign this website and go to dashboard guys, and they will assign your request guys and find the answer for the source guys. I show the how the answer guys. Stop play guys. They ask some question, how much people are making $100 a month or $1,000 a month easily guys. Just if you want, go to Google guys, and just type how many peoples are making $1,000 per month guys. This is the question they will ask for you guys. Just to go to Google, research something and see some result guys. You can easily get this result and copy this result and go to this askcounter.com and paste it over here guys. It's easy method. Just you can make tons of money with this guys. Just to earn, work wherever you want guys. Just easy guys. As I told earlier guys, can easily make tons of money with this guys. Some people are making killing it with guys. Just see, I can making tons of money guys. This is Patricia RM. So far this is my journey as a researcher. I have learned about the fitness culture in China, how the price supercomputer runs simulation, and the market size of solid bar soaps. This is some testimonial guys. Come this website, startaskconda.com/research/China. This is like a weird guys. Come over askwonder.com guys. Come over askwonder.com. Sorry guys. Come over askwonder.com guys. This is the company's page. Click all the way, go down guys, go all the way down, apply here, or go all the way up guys, or click become a researcher guys. It's automatically take you to this page guys. Just you put your name and last name, email address, password, as I told earlier guys. Just do whatever you want to do. Just as I told earlier, this company gives some little task guys, not a weird kind of task. Just to gather statistics and get paid guys. This company pays about hour based guys. If you work in a 2 hour, you can get paid that's amount of money per your hour guys. I think it's about a $10 or $25 guys per hour. I don't know. You can go to dashboard, you can easily find guys. It's depend on what's a task you can perform and how much time you can perform guys. It's may differ vary guys. If you perform if you perform a gathering statistic task, you can get paid higher guys. If you perform a competitive landscaping, you can get lesser guys. It's depend on, I don't know where's the higher, where's the lowest guys, because it's been going differently guys and changing daily guys. Depends on how much you can work and how you can put on demographic guys. If you from USA, you can get paid lots of money guys. From other country, it's maybe little bit low guys, but you can pay it guys. It's easy, just a way to make money guys. That is the housework. Go to saasconda.com and apply research center and get paid guys. Easy money. I hope this video helps you a lot guys, and you can make money. That's why I put the video for you guys. Hit the subscribe button for me and like and share. Comment below guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video guys. Make money online. Peace.